Hey friends, today I'm going to share my feelings and thoughts about how much resistance we create for ourselves for not achieving a particular goal. The first thing is I would find out excuses how it cannot be done and why it cannot be done, rather than focusing on how it can be done. Because remember that when your thought is focused on how it cannot be done, your brain is going to aid you to reveal people, opportunities, even situation similar to that. So if you are going to focus on how you are going to achieve this, then again your brain is going to focus on enabling you to achieve that. It's your networking manager. So simply by focusing on your goals and having that thought again and again will help you in achieving your goal very fast, because there is a part of the brain, like I told you, which is working for you. And then visiting that goal multiple times, like writing it down every day, talking to people about it, keeping all the pictures posted at strategic locations for about that goal, where you keep seeing it again and again. Put it down on a paper every day till you achieve that goal. Strategy is very, very important. Remember, you in your childhood you would have seen, or even now probably you must be seeing, how a child can create so much tamasha and hangama if it wants particular thing, and it will create or throw so much of tantrums that the parents would just give in to that tantrums and go ahead and buy that toy or chocolate or whatever the child wants. So this is a strategy clearly adopted by the child. Of course, this strategy will become faulty when it grows up. You cannot continue with this kind of strategy when you become adult, but you have to do it in a very matured way. So you have to pursue your goal. If one particular strategy is not achievable or aiding you in achieving that, resort to a different strategy. You have multiple choices. Like say, if I have taken weight loss as my goal, and if it is about exercising, then I can go to gym, I can go for a walk, I can do spot jogging, I can do yoga, I can do other floor exercises, I can do aerobics. If you are sure and very focused, you will find out time, place for this, come what may. People always say that I do not have time, I'm so busy. But if this goal is very important for you, this should become your most important agenda in your list. And if you focus on that, on finding out how I could adjust this and how I give my time and energy to this, then you are looking for a solution. You will get an idea. If you are focusing on the problem, you are not going to get any idea. So having a strategy is very, very important, a structured format about a timeline, and if one strategy is not working, find out different multiple ways of doing it. So friends, if you all resonate with my thoughts and feelings, that we focus more on why I cannot do a thing or why I cannot achieve a goal rather than how I can achieve a goal, then you will get all the energy and enthusiasm, ideas about achieving that, because you're focusing on that. So it's simply about giving importance to that particular goal in how it is to be achieved, what all things you have already to achieve that, what all things could be added more to achieve that, and multiple times keep seeing that goal. Like if weight loss is my strategy, post a lot of pictures at home in strategic locations of people exercising, of people who look very healthy, or who is your role model in achieving that kind of health, or how much you would like to lose your weight. So it's all about finding information so that you become more confident, having more knowledge. Sometimes we are not very confident because we do not have enough information about that, and we are not working towards that goal so seriously. We are not practicing it. So friends, if you resonate with my thoughts and feelings, say yes. This is Shyamala Jairam Sharma.